Space is now incredibly desolate and significantly more serene. But we have to appreciate it. Because if the sound propagated in space, we would be bombarded endlessly with a deafening blast. The sun roared. Every moment the sun spews trillions of watts of sound energy through the vortices of its atmosphere. If it weren't for the vacuum of space, this noise would resonate on Earth even louder than a pneumatic drill. Fortunately for us, we are protected by the emptiness of space and live in a world of amazing sonic diversity.